Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create stunningly beautiful thumbnail images for your YouTube videos. We're going to go through it step by step. It's very, very short, very brief. All the links are below in the description. Let's jump in. So the first thing I'm going to do is now I made a new layer. So I'm doing File, Layer, and then New Layer. I'm going to call this one Gradient. And now I'm going to go in here and I'm going to grab the color that I want. And then my secondary color is going to be a darker blue. And then what I do is I'm just going to use the gradient tool to, from dark to light. So it's going to look like this. Okay? So now you can see that that basically is the color. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place that below the, I'm now going to place that below my subject, and you're going to see when I take her image, I'm using something called multiply. Because what it's doing is it's multiplying the picture above with the gradient below. That would be cool, but it doesn't really pop. So what I'm going to do is I'm now going to go in and I'm going to do something called a layer mask. So I'm going to add layer and then layer mask, and it's going to be a reveal all layer mask. You leave the subject alone and you add the layer mask to the gradient. Now, when I'm painting in black with my airbrush, and anything that's black is going to show all the way through. And that's the easiest way to do it. This is how Hulu does it. This is how everybody does it. It's really, really super simple. So now what I do is I go to the eye and I paint on her eye. And you see that? The color just comes right through. And I paint right here with a big airbrush. And then I paint right here. And that's it. So it maintains the brand. Now, if I don't like that color, watch this. I can adjust the hue to anything I want. I can make it green. I can make it red. I can make it really deep purple. I can make it pink like that. Okay? What I'm doing here is I'm adjusting the hue and the saturation. So now what I might want to do is do a little bit more art on the mask. And I'm going to go in here and highlight her neck a little bit more. And highlight her hand a little bit more. And emphasize her ear a little bit more. Right? Now then what I want to do is maybe make the brush size a little bit smaller. And I just go in here and touch it up a little bit. And I could just erase these right over here. So all this white that's here, you just paint around it so it looks natural, right? And the command for that is flow. So if I want a smaller flow, I can maybe set it like I was using a 15% flow or an 11% flow. A bigger brush with a flow, with a slightly higher flow, allows you to create these really nice effects.